How to set certain contacts to ring even your iPhone is on silent. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you set certain contacts to ring even your iPhone is on silent. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Contacts app on your iPhone. After you open Contacts, from there, you'll have to just choose the contact you want to set these settings. After you open contact, you will get this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, tap on edit. From the edit section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on ringtone. And from the ringtone section, at the first one, tap and turn on the options like emergency bypass. After you turn it on, this will let calls from that contact ring even your iPhone is on silent or do not disturb mode. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.